Can we move? So we'll make a left turn or
all of us. We are at where we should be.
Okay.
I don't mind passing here, but the insects.
Do you know what?
Yeah.
No insect here is harmful. I'll tell you. This is the place, I call it sacred, very sacred. Imagine you being here. Who can see you? Become very invincible. So you can enter and disappear without people knowing somebody's hiding in here. And your assailant or your adversary can just kill him or her at will because he doesn't know where you pass to go and hide. Any mommy na akwaba. Edba Nkofieho budanimu. In fact, baby I agree and nananom asari so baby nananam try you munyankomade. Eno omunkundru eben omo. Edidi akonsede kan no. Na yanka nkwachiri enka ne bebre said the mudi kan tin no ase oyedum amanfo so ane akaya ano. Na nanom atran yeso nie yeduru ha de ne bebu nkompo sima ne akai nananom ne de yan hia de atu otwedi ampon anim fi se ye wonti ase ne didie se si eduru bia ye te se ya ye hia asam ye kan otwedi ampon kwa me adaworoma nananom nti ebam enche. We believe our ancestry, so we pour libation in their remembrance. But as we take a minute of silence and pour this libation with all lights off, whatever your belief is or your intentions, we believe in this presence, our maker or the creator is here. Say your wish, and I know in a fortnight or 40 days time, you have results. Dabi ene mo ntwan me na me nuanom said the ayen ene nuanom nsaka o nyankopon twedi ampon nsa asase yansa akobru buruku nsa otententu nsa kwasu aprans nsa pransa kwam komunipa nsa nananom nkonwa nsa asubone nsa o man ye yode nananom momie hunu ehan we enim da ne modi nkasem wo ho yeni nchiri man ni ati asefo nyina nkwaso. Now, I can say starting from the back, all lights off. We are to make our wish. Then, after our wish, whoever have any kind of gift can give. We have no problem based on your belief and your desire. And I know you come and testify. So, starting from the back, can we have the light off?
They're already off.
So in front of here.
Wow. This is amazing.
Mpacho okani ane photo and yanka off.
All right, maybe.
Somewhere. Yeah, from the phone. Is this from side to the left? Gang, man.
Charlie, we go find gold.
Galam say correct one.
Can you give me?
Yeah. And then, okay, you want to relax?
Relax.
Two, yes.
No, hold on to the room. This should be that grip.
So turn around, let your right foot try and get it on the.
You watch our movie.
Yeah. Charlie, wait, the Survivor series. So.
I'm telling you.
Charlie, we enter Survivor series now. So, your mind for day. This is a.
It's not, it's all in your mind.
And yes. So one at a time.
Yeah, you can now.
Light out.
Quench your light.
Oh no.